Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to split Visual Studio Code of two windows and you can work simultaneously two different files. How to do it? It's very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So we can open here first of all Visual Studio Code and here one of my projects. So how to split? It's very simple. You just go here in the view menu, afterwards here editor layout, and here look at this here, split up, split down, split left, split right. So we can go here, split right, and boom, look at this. We can click here and open here different file. This one is a different and this one is a different. Simultaneously, sometimes I'm working two continuously file in one project and I require this line of code or logic on this file. So most of time I'm using these tips and tricks and split Visual Studio Code. This is a laptop, but if you have external monitor, so you can very easily enjoy these features. So this is the simple tips and tricks.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.